redox reactions. In redox reactions, we study about the reduction and oxidation processes. Since in this chapter we will be studying about reduction and oxidation, so first we should know what reduction and oxidation reactions are. What's the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen. In any reaction, if there is addition of oxygen, then all such reactions will be known as oxidation reactions. And the most modern definition for this oxidation is loss of electron. If in any reaction there is loss of electron, all such reactions will be known as oxidation reactions. Loss of hydrogen is also called oxidation, and gain of proton is also called oxidation. But here, what reduction and oxidation are? Chemical reactions. And in chemical reactions, no subatomic particle other than electron can ever take part. So here we have said that protons are added, then such reactions will be known as oxidation, so will become wrong. But what proton is? Proton means H+. So we can say any reaction in which oxidation, in which addition of H+ is there, all such reactions are called oxidation reactions. Other than these four definitions, this loss of electron is the most modern definition for this oxidation and reduction. Addition of any nonmetal there in any chemical reaction will always be known as oxidation, and loss of metal during any chemical reaction, then such reactions will be known as oxidation. Addition of electronegative element is also known as oxidation, and loss of electropositive element there in any chemical reaction will also be oxidation. Increase in oxidation in any chemical reaction, then all such reactions will be known as oxidation reactions. So these are the 9 definitions for oxidation. Like this, opposite to this will always be reduction. As we have said that addition of oxygen is oxidation, then the loss of oxygen will be reduction. Here we have written loss of electron, so addition of electron will also always be reduction. Addition of hydrogen will be reduction, and loss of H+, that is hydrogenium ion or hydrogen ion, will also be reduction. Loss of non-metallic element in any chemical reaction, then all such reactions will be reduction, and gain of metal during any chemical reaction will be reduction. Loss of electropositive element and gain of metal is always reduction. Decrease in oxidation number will always be reduction. These are the few definitions for this oxidation and reduction process. If there is any species which will be losing electron to get oxidized, there must be someone else who will be ready to take that electron and to get reduced. Then only redox reaction can take place. For example, if you take an example like Cu plus ZnSO4 will give CuSO4 plus Zn, or CuSO4 plus Zn. What you will get? You will get ZnSO4 plus Cu. See, this reaction was there in class 10th, and there they asked us which one is possible. Whether the Cu plus ZnSO4 is possible or Zn plus CuSO4 is possible. Both reactions are possible. But this will be spontaneous. This will be spontaneous. And this is also possible, but will be non-spontaneous. If you see electrochemical series, according to electrochemical series, zinc is being more reactive than copper, placed above copper. That's why it is more reactive, loses electron with relatively greater ease. So we displace this copper from copper sulfate solution to form ZnSO4 and Cu. While see here, Cu is since less reactive than Zn, so can't displace Zn from ZnSO4 solution to form copper sulfate and zinc. But this is spontaneously not possible, but non-spontaneously can be possible. If you provide them temperature, pressure, like this all conditions, then this reaction can also be possible. You know what electrochemical series is? Lic, base, Kana, Mase, Al, Zn, Fe, Hydrogen, Cu, Ag, Hg, Au, platinum, fluorine, etc. See here, this zinc is being more reactive than copper, so can displace copper. This lithium is the most reactive one. This lithium is the most reactive one. This lithium is the strongest reducing agent, means loses electron with greatest ease. While this Au or platinum or fluorine, if you want to take electrons from them, you have to give them a lot of energy, then only you can take out electrons from them. So will be weakest reducing agent, you can say, or strongest oxidizing agent, or least reactive. Since this lithium is most reactive, strongest reducing agent, so no element can displace lithium from their salt solutions, but lithium can displace all elements from their compounds. On that basis, you can say this reaction will be spontaneously possible and this will not be spontaneously possible.